I chose electrical engineering technology mainly because I wanted to be involved in more of the hands-on work. You'd spend a lot more time actually fiddling with the technology in the labs. These are things that I think helped me out quite a bit. And then fast forwarding now, trying to run a startup is incredibly difficult. You're literally spinning 10 different plates at the same time and just trying to make sure nothing falls. People ask me, am I nuts for competing against the likes of like an NVIDIA or Intel? And I'm just like, who cares? This is like the competition field is for everybody to come and compete in, no matter how big or small you are when you start. It's really about how you finish. So yeah, I definitely take that with me, and it definitely shows up in the workplace. It's the diversity of thought. I think even in my background and some of the things that I've learned and experience that I've had that allows me to even ideate in this space. When it comes to semiconductor chips and just the engineering space, new innovations, new things, new trends, new patterns, like especially dealing with AI infrastructure, like there's only one way to go. This industry is growing.